Hey, fellow bodymen, I'd like to talk to you about an issue that we face in our industry where, I don't know if you knew it or not, but we're at war. We're at war with a boss that wants us to get done quickly, a customer that wants his car back right away, and we're really, the biggest war is with the panel itself. So here, let's take a look at this panel here. This is a 1991, it's a 90 or 91, I don't remember. It's a BMW, the 850i, and this car was hit in the fender and it was creased all the way through and through the bottom of the fender. So we've straightened out the metal and we've put 2 coats of filler on here. Now, the weapon of choice here that we've developed, we used a 12 by 3. Now, of course, you can't read it, it'll be backwards in the film, but this is a 12 by 3 triangle block. And how this is going to help you is when you're sanding a panel like this is wrapping around right to left, and it's also wrapping that curve up and down. So you're going to get done faster. You're going to leave it crowned in the center where you want it to be crowned. It's curved this way and it's curved this way. So I like to tackle a job like this with a block that covers the entire length, and this is a 12 by 3 triangle. I also use a 6 by 3 triangle. Sometimes I want to just kind of work the edges a little bit, and that'll do that. It'll do the same action. It'll bend in 2 directions. And I like to spray a little guide coat on my last coat of filler, and I'll use this 12-inch super mini triangle. Now this is just a flat bottom block, but because it's narrow, it's going to ride with that curve very easily. So I'll use that with a little guide coat just to double check the work that I've done with the other blocks. It also helps to, these will leave it very rounded, which is what you're after. Sometimes you want to flatten it a little bit, but you don't want to take a big flat block on here. This narrow block is much more handy. So these are weapons, consider them weapons of choice to get done faster, get that car out, do the work in an easier way, and you don't have to roll the block over the curve. The block actually conforms to the curve, both curves, right to left and top to bottom. So check it out. Go to JTCANindustries.com. We've got some films on there, and these come in a few different configurations. The ones I like to use are for adhesive back paper. We also make them for Velcro paper, and also some that have a vacuum fitting with holes in the bottom, so you can use a mesh paper and use a vacuum, a shop vac or a vacuum system. I won't mention the main ones, but you know, if you're in the field, you know what they're called. All right, everybody. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you on the website. Bye.